Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Msra. This video tutorial is on UGC NTA NET paper first. Here I have included most expected multiple choice questions on communication. Yes, it is one of the important chapters of paper first. This is part 12. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Software computer cannot be used A. For demonstration, B. For reading and writing, C. As a systematic programmed learning techniques, D. As a machine for evaluating students' progress. अगर आप यहाँ कंपेयर करें, so you will find A for demonstration is a correct answer. 2. Overhead projector is superior to shorter circuit TV in a classroom teaching because जो भी ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं अगर उसमें आप कंपेयर करें सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी. पिक्चर्स इन इट मे बी शोन इन अ डिजायर्ड सीक्वेंस एंड विद अ मिनिमम ऑफ लॉस्ट मोशन दैट इज मटेरियल. 3. All of the following are the limitations of televised instruction except comparatively. If you look at the options, so correct option is C. It does not properly help the students in making the materials clearly understood. 4. Which of the following groups of students can be most benefited computer-based education program? In computer-based education program, A. Small group of low IQ, B. Large group of moderate intelligence, C. Heterogeneous groups in IQ, D. All of the above. So यहाँ पर सही ऑप्शन है D. All of the above. 5. Which of the following is not a successful communicator? सारे ऑप्शंस पर आप देखें सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी. वन हु नोज अ लॉट बट इज समव्हाट रिजर्व इन हिज एटीट्यूड. 6. क्लोज सर्किट टेलीविजन इज यूजफुल. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए. ओनली फॉर रिस्ट्रिक्टेड ऑडियंस residing at a particular place. 7. Which of the following teachers will you like most? A. A loving teacher. B. A teacher of highly idealistic philosophy. C. A teacher who often amuses his students. D. A disciplined teacher. Here correct option is A. A loving teacher because this is from student's viewpoint. 8. Televised educational program is useful because A. It can present the natural phenomenon, the world in natural form. B. It can magnify the microscopic forms of life and can be presented on TV. C. It affords the opportunity for large audience in the same auditorium or in different locations to view it clearly, or D. All of the above. So here correct option is D. All of the above. 9. Noise is known as A. Transmitting barrier, B. Receiving barrier, C. Sender barrier, or D. None. The correct option is A. Transmitting barrier. 10. All are the examples of the media of two-way communication except correct option is C. Street plays. 11. A message is correct option is B. What a receiver actually receives. 12. A channel is here correct option is A. Medium which carries the message. 13. A good communicator is the one who offers to his audience A. Plentiful of information, B. A good amount of statistics, C. Concise proof, or D. A repetition of facts. So here correct option is A. Plentiful of information. 14. Which of the following media can be used effectively in large group communications? Say A. Television, B. Overhead projector, C. Video, or D. Computer. Correct option is B. Overhead projector. 15. The carrier of mass communication is known as correct option is A. Mass media. 16. The combination of computing, telecommunications and media in a digital atmosphere is referred to as correct option is D. Convergence. 17. Feedback is correct option is B. Response of receiver to communicator's message. 18. Major limitation of mass communication is correct option is B. The feedback system is weak. 19. Which of the following is not a successful communicator? So, correct option is C. One who knows a lot about is somewhat reserved in his attitude, though this is a repeated one. 20. Which of the following steps would you consider first as an effective communicator? So, correct option is C here. Specify the objectives of communication. 21. Information and communication technology include A. Online learning, B. Learning through the use of EduSat, C. Web-based learning, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. 22. Communication satellites work through A. Transponders, B. Transmitters, C. Radars, D. None. Correct option is A. Transponders. 23. Which of the following is an old form of communication? A. Fire signals, B. Radio signals, C. Telegrams, D. None. So here correct option is A. Fire signals. 24. The most important aspect of communication listening can be improved by A. Making voice effective and impressive, B. Making communication material novel, interesting and need-based, C. Making the full attention, or D. All. So correct option is D. All of the D. 25. Any effective communication system employs a feedback system in order to, correct option is A, make the necessary modifications in the process. 26. Which of the following systematically discovers the relations and interaction among variables in real life situations such as a school, factory, community, etc.? A. Field experiments, B. Field study, C. Survey study, or D. Ex post factor study. Correct option is B. Field study. 27. Which of the following has the largest share in classroom communication? So correct option is A. List. 28. MM-HMM is a type of feedback. A. Ambiguous, B. Positive, C. Negative, D. Either A or C. The correct option is A. Ambiguous, means not clear. 29. Which one of the following is true about the communication? A. It's dynamic in nature, B. It is constantly changing, C. It is shifting in response to the overall situation, or D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. 30. Which of the following methods of communication would be most effective in classroom? So correct option is B. Multimedia method. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass on to others those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.